Allahabad High Court has taken a suo motu cognizance of the fatal assault and alleged gang rape of a Dalit woman in Hathras, especially her hurried cremation, and directed senior officials of the state government and police, including of the district, to be present in the next hearing on October 12th. A two-judge Lucknow bench of Allahabad High Court has asked senior officials of the Uttar Pradesh government and police to be present in the court in the Hathras case. The court has also asked family members of the deceased to be present on October 12th, the next date of hearing, so that the court could hear their version of the cremation organized by the police in the middle of the night, and wondered if the authorities acted thus because of their economic status. It also said that it would decide as to necessity of monitoring the investigation or getting it conducted through an independent agency as per law. The bench of Justices Ranjan Roy and Jasprit Singh said that while 4 accused had been arrested and an SIT has been set up to probe the matter, however, for the moment, we are concerned with what has happened thereafter. The incident, which took place after the death of the victim 29th of September, leading up to her cremation, as alleged, have shocked our conscience. Therefore, we are taking suo motu cognizance of the same. The court said the matter is of immense public importance and public interest, as there are allegations of high-handedness by the state authorities resulting in violation of the basic human and fundamental rights, not only of the deceased victim but also of her family members. The judge said, as it is, the deceased victim was treated with extreme brutality by the perpetrators of the crime, and what is alleged to have happened thereafter, if true, amounts to perpetuating the misery of the family and rubbing salt in their wounds. The court said that it would like to examine whether the economic and social status of the deceased family have been taken advantage of by the state authorities to oppress and deprive them of their constitutional rights. The court mentioned media reports quoting father as saying that the woman's body was released from hospital without them being informed, and denying the police version that the family had said that the timing of the cremation would not matter. The bench instructed officials to ensure no pressure was exerted on the family members of the deceased family. The court also said that according to reports, the cremation was done between 2 and 2:30 a.m. It said the family of the deceased follows Hindu tradition, according to which last rites are not performed after sunset and before daybreak. The judges went on to cite Mahatma Gandhi, saying, "This is a time to strengthen our resolve to live up to the ideas which Bapu stood for." But unfortunately, ground realities are very different from the high values propagated and practiced by the father of our nation. The court said that suo motu PIL would be heard by an appropriate bench, and a record kept all news items referred by it. It said the media organization concerned would be requested to produce the relevant material and content on the basis of which they had reported the matter. Bureau Report.